So we've been working with Microsoft since 1999 and achieved gold status in 2005. And so we have a great deal of experience working with Microsoft applications as they've evolved over the years. We're very excited about using Microsoft Power BI in the cloud, and our customers are already leveraging that technology for business intelligence and analytics and gaining a lot of insightful data from their ERP transactions through sales and operations.
From a baseline level, Power BI is very user-friendly. You can take something as simple as an Excel sheet, create your own dashboards, and distribute that within your organization. Scaling the application becomes more complex, but it's also easy for users to incorporate within their day-to-day activities. As your business scales and gets to an enterprise model, we can then start creating security groups around who can access the Power BI reports, dashboards, and workspaces. Creating security groups within the system is easy within the online service and can be set up from your local IT or your Power BI owner.
One of the nice benefits of the Power BI platform is that customers can collaborate and share their information more broadly within the organization. They can create powerful reports using the Power BI desktop application and then synchronize that data to the Power BI service where their executive teams can see dashboards that unify the data across various applications, whether it's from a CRM application, an ERP application, or a Tensoft application such as our Tensoft FSM software or Tensoft RCM. They have a single source where they can go for data and get reporting out of that system.
You can distribute things based on security groups, and then you can also give particular user groups and departments dashboards that have been specifically geared to data that they want to see. Sales, finance, operations, all of those different departments can benefit from the power of Power BI and the data analytics to help your business move forward.
So Tensoft's expertise tends to be around, both our legacy here as well as what has enabled that legacy. And so the first part of our legacy is that really a large part of what we do is go deep into certain markets instead of broad. And for example, we have very deep knowledge bases in technology companies, more specifically software and subscription companies and semiconductor companies and so on. I think the second set of things that has resulted from that is really what it takes to enable that vision. And so we've gotten very good at integration and extension of applications and analytics and Power BI and scaling organizations. What are the stages that a growth company goes through, and when do they need to step back and reevaluate again and look at better ways to maintain their practice, and how can they scale their investment while they're scaling their function and their organization. And so that set of skills around enablement of our vision along with the vision itself on deep vertical expertise is what makes us unique.